Ujor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Hatu pidon am katong manlong kita kinong shed hagi hotel and hagi restaurant ibapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong e katong kajongpi. Ke emission kelap play bani ai ki course ki baper kadon ka degree course ka diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Uba promise sumer uba sa hakasnong kiang wa ko East Giant Hills District ula ujor sa Pulit ko kiang police petrol post ban pentep halong sa atok thok Royal Enfield Hunter 350 ka wala paniang Khmat jong Ïing. Hak ujor uba sumer ula pentem bahag khat pradri ujlew ajar penrew ula paniang yang thok jong Khmat ka Ïing ha kiang wa ko hakajaka ka ba uju paniang man lagasngi Henry hakasngi ka babon kata hakakhat khandai tarik ujlew ajar penrew ulalap ba katuk jong kala jar ngai nakajaka bola penyeng hakapor kembah new bejim stem hakabai de berkani uba sumer ula karpat I Pulit bakin penlong ya kajing toket ke babania khanang manlap din biang ya katuk jong
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.